this is a couple of different ways that you can use the fennel that I just talked about. So I love to get my essential oils from Mountain Rose Herbs. So this is the fennel oil. I love their products because you can buy them in a 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, or 4 ounce bottles. So if you don't need a lot, and if you want to try it, it just makes it seem a little bit more cost effective. You can use that as a carrier oil like I talked about. I love the hemp seed oil that can go right on your body. That's great for massages. And you can also use the black cumin seed oil. This is great for antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial. So if you guys use or do any cupping, that's a great oil also to use after you have a procedure done, because that helps bring out the toxins that have been raised to the surface. So this is what the fennel seed looks like. I've actually ground it in a little coffee grinder that I use just for herbs, because I like to be able to sprinkle it on my food so I can eat it. This one has hemp seed in it, so it kind of masks the graininess, but if you look really close, you can see a little bit of the fennel seed in there. Just makes it a little bit easier to digest. If you use any of the Chinese 5-spice powder, that is also going to have fennel or anise in there, which is great because this gives a great flavor to any Asian food that you are making. My friend says she can even make beets taste good, and I tend to agree.